My name is Nguyen, and I'm one of the top 10 new faces of civil engineering of 2017. I'm a bridge engineer with COWI in Seattle, Washington. I'm a registered California PE, a Green Roads STPL2, and an Envision sustainability professional. I've been with COWI for 4 years now, where I've gotten to work on a whole bunch of signature projects, including the St. Croix Bridge, the Ohio River Bridges, and currently Wellsburg Bridge. One project I want to talk about is the Champlain Bridge retrofit in Quebec. This is one of the busiest bridges in the world. Though it's in the process of being replaced with a new bridge, it's still important that we keep the current one up and running. The 50 simply supported spans look easy to work with, but really it's a complicated task, as there are a whole bunch of as-built dimensions and decades of past retrofit systems already in place. I am also very active in our local ASE section. I'm currently the Seattle YMF President-elect, where I work with a board of 20 members to host a whole bunch of events, including networking events, community service events, and professional development events. I'm also currently the Seattle Section House and Hospitality Co-Chair, where I deal with registration and venue selection for our monthly meetings. Other roles I've held include the YMF Community Service Chair, Secretary, and Popsicle Stick Bridge Coordinator. The Popsicle Stick Bridge event is our YMF's largest event each year. Months before the big day, we have 2 coordinators that work with a subcommittee to get corporate sponsors, come up with new rules, and send thousands of sticks to the student teams. We also send a young engineer to the schools so that they can talk about the event and also promote civil engineering in high school. At the day of the event, there are over 40 volunteers and over 50 teams of students to coordinate with. We load test the bridges to see how much weight they can hold, and the winning bridge held over 700 pounds. The bridges only weighed 300 grams, so this is a pretty amazing feat. We were able to bring in over $5,000 in donations, which allow us to run the event and also to provide a $1,000 scholarship for a high school student entering the STEM track in college. I first started getting more involved in ASE back in 2013, when I went on a tour of South Prague Bridge while it was still under construction. I had gotten to work on the project as an intern at HNTB, so I was excited to be able to see where the bridge was currently at. I would later on do a follow-up tour where we got to see the finished bridge. They let us see the bascule span lift while we were in the mechanical room. From my time with ASE, I've gotten to meet many amazing engineers who I consider my colleagues, my friends, and my mentors. Particularly, Courtney Davis and Bethy Clark are very influential to where I am today. I am following them in their footsteps, leading the Popsicle Stick Bridge competition to being the YMF President-elect. I want to be a leader in my industry and leave a lasting impact on the world with the structures that I design and build. But more so, I want to be able to make an impact on the engineers and the students that come after me.